Hey, what's up, everyone? Phil Hall here. I'm the author of Hunting Leviathan, a silver honorable mention winner in the Writers of the Future contest, and I'm coming to you from sunny Virginia Beach in my COVID bunker. So I completed Writers of the Future online writing workshop, and probably the best takeaway I got from doing that workshop was just the structure in which to write a story, write a short story, and to let my imagination run wild. So you start out with character, a setting, and a hook, of course, and then also a quest for your character. And so those kind of points have really helped me just really think through how I can manipulate my imagination, if you will, or just kind of, I guess a good analogy would be kind of train tracks on which to let my ideas run freely. And it was very helpful. So that kind of structure really provided excellent framework. It was really cool to hear from the great authors like Tim Powers and David Farland and Orson Scott Card, and all their combined years of experience in the craft of storytelling and writing. I found myself really connecting with their experiences as writers, and really inspired me to take my work to the next level. The essays from L. Ron Hubbard were really helpful. Just his style and encouragement. I really like his style. And his encouragement just to write your story down, to keep writing, and to persevere and get that first draft down on paper. So I really like that kind of style. I thought that was really helpful. Also, I really thought his essay "Magic Out of a Hat" was very helpful, where he takes you from A to Z, kind of his process of writing a story. And so just that experience, that well-refined craftsmanship, to hear that and to glean from that kind of knowledge is really helpful. I would highly recommend this workshop, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional. Just the teachers and the exercises will walk you through writing a short story and helping your work become the best it can be. So I found, like I said, it's really helped my writing get to the next level, I feel like. And it's inspired me more so just to, like, I feel like a lot of my descriptions have become, in my writing, have become more vibrant. I remember Tim Powers and, David Farland and Orson Scott Card. They all talked about that a lot. Tim Powers talked about studying. He brought up some good tips I thought were really helpful about, if you're writing science fiction, you're going to write about a starship or something. Studying about, hey, how do they create gravity on a starship if it's going to be a long journey, or different things like that. Talking a little bit about point of view. David Farland, I really took away a lot of his try-fail cycles. I thought those were really, really good. The way to really heighten the emotion that you want your story to convey. The try-fail cycles. So that was really helpful. And then creating a powerful ending. Orson Scott Card, I really liked his 1001 story ideas in an hour. And I like the concept. I think about this a lot as well, of just like taking an object is kind of an inciting hook of what your story is going to be about, an intriguing concept or object of what your story is going to be about. So like I said before, I would highly recommend it, whether you are a brand new writer and are just thinking about getting published or want to hone your writing skills, or if you're a seasoned professional. So I cheers to the Writers of the Future seminar. It's a great workshop, and I know that you'll enjoy it. So, cheers.